Creating an engaging and intuitive game UI is crucial for a successful gaming experience. Here's a breakdown of the initial steps involved. 1. Understanding your game genre and gameplay. Define the core mechanics and style of your game. This will dictate the UI's overall look and feel. Target audience. Consider the age, skill level, and preferences of your players. This will influence the UI's complexity and visual style. Core game loop. Identify the primary actions players will perform repeatedly. Ensure the UI supports these actions efficiently. 2. Information architecture. UI elements. Determine the essential elements required. Health bars, menus, inventories, maps, etc. Screen layout. Plan the arrangement of elements for different game states, main menu, gameplay, pause menu, etc. Hierarchy. Establish the visual importance of elements. Critical information should be easily noticeable. 3. Visual design art style. Choose a visual style that complements the game's atmosphere and target audience. Color palette. Select colors that enhance readability and create the desired mood. Typography. Choose fonts that are legible and consistent with the game's tone. Iconography. Design or source clear and recognizable icons for UI elements. 4. User experience, UX. Design intuitiveness. Ensure UI elements are easy to understand and use. Consistency. Maintain a consistent layout and interaction patterns throughout the game. Feedback. Provide clear visual and audio feedback for player actions. Accessibility. Consider players with disabilities and design accordingly. 5. Prototyping and testing. Rapid prototyping. Create low-fidelity prototypes to test UI concepts quickly. User testing. Gather feedback from players to identify usability issues. Iterative design. Refine the UI based on testing results. 6. Implementation UI toolkit. Choose a suitable UI toolkit or engine-specific tools. Unity's UI, Unreal Engine's UMG, etc. Coding. Implement the UI elements and their interactions with game logic. Optimization. Ensure the UI performs efficiently without impacting gameplay. Additional tips. Keep it simple. Avoid cluttering the screen with unnecessary information. Prioritize information. Display critical information prominently. Visual hierarchy. Use size, color, and placement to guide player attention. Consistency. Maintain a consistent look and feel throughout the UI. Feedback. Provide clear and timely feedback to player actions. Accessibility. Design for players with disabilities. Test, iterate, improve. Continuously refine the UI based on player feedback. Tools and resources, UI design software. Sketch, Figma, Adobe, XD game engines, Unity, Unreal Engine, GameMaker Studio UI toolkits, built-in UI systems of game engines, custom solutions, online tutorials and communities. Unity Learn, Unreal Engine documentation, Game Dev Stack Exchange. By following these steps and considering the principles of good UI design, you can create a user interface that enhances the overall gaming experience.